Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
Cosmic things of... Where are my bracelets? They don't clack and cliggle. Good girls go to heaven, and bad girls go everywhere. Good thing I'm both. Hello, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Erykah. You can call me Badu or E, whichever you please. And here on my channel, I make DIY tutorials like this one, as well as some fashion-related videos and some lifestyle videos. So, if either of those interest you, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell too so you don't miss a beat. And if you'd like to connect with me more, you know, keep the vibes going, keep the love flowing, you can follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Depop, you know the one, and my Snapchat. But without further ado, let's make it do what it do. These are the jeans that I got from the thrift. They were about $5. I'm gonna transform it into this blingin' top here. I am in love with it so much. First and foremost, I went ahead and snipped off the loops from the actual pants, and then I went ahead and cut the waistband off of them.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
Now I'm taking the waistband and placing it underneath my bust area, and it was a little too big, so I used these clamps to show where I would need to cut. Then I'm going to measure how long I need the actual coverage of the top to be. With that measurement, I'm going to cut off one of the pant legs, and then I'm going to cut along the seam to open them up.
Knockout. You win.
Once it is opened up, I'm going to cut along the inseam. That way I can have two pieces that I can work with.
Choose your fighter.
With them placed on top of each other, I'm just going to cut off all the extra seam that is on it so that I just have raw denim. Now I'm going to fold back both sides of both pieces so that I have a hem on each one. However, this turned out useless in the end.
fighter.
Honestly, I don't know how this part was confusing. It was confusing doing it, and it's gonna be confusing trying to explain it. So basically, I am clipping the right side to wrong side. So the right side of the top fabric to the wrong side of the waistband, and then I'm going to sew along that. As you can see, I sewed the wrong side of the denim outward. That is what I meant by the hem being completely useless. But I'm going to take the inseam that I have and cut it in half, and then I'm going to tie it to create a shape for the bust area.
Choose your fighter.
Lady inspired. Fight.
To create the diamond fringe, I'm going to take some rhinestone trim that I got from Amazon, and I'm just cutting out about 4 inches for this, and I'm cutting out multiple strings so that I can hot glue along the edge of the shoulder. I also took some clips and I measured where exactly I wanted the fringe to fall, and I'm just gluing that in that area. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cosmic beings of the universe, we've come to the end of our video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and even comment what you want to see next. You know, all those goody ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be sure to catch you on my next one. See you later.